The VTPDRN Barrier Cleanser is one of those cleansers that actually focuses more on protecting your skin than aggressively deep cleaning it, and that shows from the first use. The texture turns into a soft, cushiony foam that spreads easily and rinses off without leaving that tight, squeaky feeling most foaming cleansers give. It's built around phyto-PDRN, plant-based DNA from ginseng, along with Panthenol, Ceramide NP, and green tea, which are all known for calming irritation and supporting the skin barrier. Because of its low pH, around 4.5 to 5.5, it cleans without disrupting your natural moisture balance, so your face feels fresh but still slightly hydrated instead of stripped. Over time, especially if your skin is dry, sensitive, or recovering from breakouts, it can help reduce redness and keep your barrier more stable. But don't expect dramatic treatment results from a cleanser alone. The downside is that cleansing power is just okay. It works well for sunscreen or light makeup, but for waterproof or heavy makeup, you'll still need a balm or oil cleanser first. Also, it contains essential oils, rosemary and peppermint, so if your skin reacts to fragrance, it might not be the safest pick. Overall, it's a solid daily cleanser if your priority is gentle cleansing plus barrier care, not deep makeup removal.